Okay guys, just a little update. This is the updated transmitter that I built. This one using the red toroid. It's something similar to the other one, but so this is the old transmitter it works. Not a lot of power, but you know, that's my first try at it, and so I'd like to try it again, see if I can make the circuit a bit more user friendly. And I spent the evening and built a second one. This is the second version. I guess you call it revision Rev B. I got the oscillator circuit is over here, 7.2. Got a 2N222 sitting down there, an inductor. I put a shield in this one between the oscillator and the output. The C1957 is sitting right there. Lots of inductors, 3 inductors. That's the toroid ring that I wound. And that there is exactly that circuit here. The only thing this board is missing or lacking that board had was the low pass filter. So tomorrow evening, I'm not too tired. I got a big lot of driving tomorrow, but tomorrow evening I'm gonna build the low pass filter on a separate board. So that's this one here. It'll be on a separate board, but then we'll try it out and see if we get more power out of this one than what I can get out of this one. So that's the two boards side by side. What do you think? Night and day, don't you think? Hoping, I suspect this board's going to work better. At least I hope it does. I got some heavy ground wire on this one. It's the heavy red, but I'm using it as a ground. And like I say, I got this shield in there. This shield's off an old light bulb, believe it or not. The big metal part of a light bulb. Cut it off, flattened out, use it as my shield. But anyway, a little update for you. And look for another update tomorrow. All the best, folks. 7-3.